Yo, I'm here. I'm back with another video. We're English again. We're gonna keep the development of this cool application I made in Smythos. I want to show you how to actually finish this project. We have finished the API endpoint calling and the bot actually responds and it's so cool, but we haven't set up a bot. When you talk to him, he replies you back. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, we're gonna develop this kind of function. It's very simple though. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. As you see, there's this project from the latest video. If you haven't seen it yet, you should. So here we have the API endpoint. This is the only thing we're gonna be focusing on today. As you see, there's some parameters right here we have set up in the latest video. We don't have to touch anything anymore. We make sure the method is post. We make sure about the endpoint name. About LLM assistant, what we can do here is like change its behavior. I can do like you are Yoshi from the Mario Bros character, and you reply to users in a weird way with dumb faces as emotes. I don't know, maybe that will work, maybe not. Let's see. Once we have done that, we can create our Discord bot that I have the steps on my previous video if you want to see them on how to create a Discord application and turn it into a bot. So once we have done that, we're gonna go to Visual Studio Code, whatever your IED is, and we're gonna do a new folder for the bot. I'm gonna be using index.js as main script. We are gonna install the npm stuff, so we do npm init, and there you go. We're just gonna spam enter right here. We don't need all of that. I'm gonna clear the console now, and then I'm gonna do npm I discord.js, and it's gonna create all the libraries and packages for us. Alright, cool. So now we're gonna head to package.json, and we're gonna add a new key and value. Let's add type, and we select module. This is not like a needed thing, like you don't need to do this, but I'll do it because it's more comfortable. So we do import client from discord.js. Now we're gonna initialize this client right here. So we do const client new client, we open the JSON body, and then we do intents. We open an array, we add gateway intent bits from discord.js, and we do gateway intent bits. Guild messages, we do gateway intent bits direct messages. I'm gonna add all of this just in case, so you can either copy it or do your own. I'm gonna initialize now, make it so it can turn on when we run this script. So we're gonna do client once, events, client ready, bot. Yeah, let's call it bot. And we do console log, logged in as bot tag maybe. Oh yeah, we're gonna do bot user tag. I forgot about something. Client login and the token of the bot. I forgot to add events from discord.js. There we go, logged in as burger. If we go here, we can see the bot is on. Now we gotta do a call every time a user sends a message. Alright, so client on message create message, then we do this. Okay, cool. And we do if message author bot, we do a return. So if there's a bot that sends a message, it will reject the function. And we want to do it so whenever the message contains a mention of the bot, this one will reply to us. So let's do it this way. We're gonna add this regex. Actually, let's put it inside the function. We're gonna do the mention regex test, and as an input, we're gonna do message content. Inside of this, we can do message reply hello. And if we go back to Discord and actually try to mention them, it will reply to us. Okay, so this thing works. Now what we're gonna do is the API call. We're gonna do a function here. We're gonna do async function API. Let's do API call. We do let raw response, maybe. There we go. Let's call it raw response fetch. And for the URL, we're gonna go back to to Smythos. So what we do now is click on this little button right here, and it's going to give us this link right here. So all we gotta do is fuse it with this API endpoint, which is API Discord AI. So we're gonna paste the link here, and we're gonna do /API/Discord AI. Okay, we're gonna do method post, and we're gonna add those parameters as a body. First though, we're gonna add the headers. We do content type application, there you go, application /JSON, and we do accept application /JSON. Okay, there we go. Now it's time to add the body. We are gonna do JSON stringify for this one. There we go. Oh, I forgot to add the comma here. There we go. So once we have this, we're gonna actually add 3 values here, which is gonna be user, channel, and prompt. Okay, so we're gonna call the API call here, and for user we're gonna do message author username. Okay, then we're gonna add the channel, which is gonna be message channel ID, which is the ID of the channel, and the prompt is going to be message content. All right, so once we have that, we're gonna do user ID, user ID, and we call for the user. Then we do channel ID, we call for the channel, and for the prompt we're gonna do prompt. Okay, cool. Okay, we should be able to actually make it work. It should be able to work now. We're gonna try this. Actually, let's take the variable away just in case, so it does it in a proper way, because we're not gonna use the response in any way. I think we're done. We're gonna call the bot. We're gonna do dimension, and we're gonna do hello. We're gonna wait. There we go. It works. And we got those strange faces that I asked for the bot to respond us with. So we're gonna do, I don't know, maybe how are you? Oh, me feeling excellent. Okay, tell me the first 40 numbers of pi. Here goes nothing. Alright, so I don't think those are 40 numbers, but it's okay, it's cool. And actually, there's a better way to do this. Like, instead of doing the regex thing, we could just do a condition, a boolean, to see if the bot actually, if the message actually contains a reply for the bot. So let's do this. Is reply to bot equal message mentions user has client user ID. So now we can change the if condition to just is reply to bot, and it should work. We're gonna get rid of this one, and we're gonna test it right now. We're gonna do node again, and we're gonna try burger hi, and there we go, it works. Even if I respond now, let's see, how are you? It will reply to us. There we go. This is a demonstration of what you can do with Smythos and Discord.js. I have some other projects to show you guys soon in the next video, so see you in the next video. By the way, I committed an error on the code. You should put the return function above like this, because either way it's not gonna fucking work.